5 Best Blender for Smoothies. Professional Series 750 Blender. From Vitamix. This blender is designed with high-grade durable but dull blades attached to the jar which can produce 37,000 RPM. That surely allow you to make your morning smooth with relative ease. For consistency in making your smoothies, this blender gives you 5 pre-programmed speed settings to adjust accordingly and attain the ideal texture when making your frozen smoothie or even dessert. It has low-profile 64-ounce container which is perfect for family meals and entertaining. This blender also has hardened stainless steel blades. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. High-speed blender system. From NutriBullet. If you like with the legendary Magic Bullet blender and feels it enough to help you make a perfect smoothie, then you should consider to upgrade to the next level, which is NutriBullet Pro 900. This is considered as one of the best personal smoothie maker in the market. It is powered by a 900-watt motor and patented blades that make the entire blending process an easy way. It has the power to pulverize all the fruit, seed and vegetables, whether frozen or however tough they may be. It comes with additional 13 accessories to make the blending and serving your smoothie a convenient affair. Includes 1-year warranty. KSB15750 Diamond Blender. From KitchenAid. KitchenAid products are often cost-friendly, but their quality and performance never disappoint. And this model is not an exception either. To make your smoothie blending experience worthy, it is fitted with a diamond blending system that allows all the ingredients to mix rapidly and efficiently. It is always stable on and off operation since the die-cast metal base provides it with the necessary support. The IntelliSpeed motor control senses contents and maintains optimal speed to power through all ingredients. It has 5-year limited warranty. Reverse Crush Counterforms Blender. From Oster. Using this particular blender for smoothie eliminates any form of guesswork because it comes with pre-programmed smart settings that make it easy to control just from a single touch. You don't need to be worried about blades jamming during blending because it is designed with a dual direction blade technology that allows reversal of the blade whenever you feel like. It has 1000 power watts and a cord with 16 inches length. It is also easy to operate given that it comes with 7 speed settings arranged from low to high pulse, hence all you need is to find the right speed. 6-cup Burrow class glass jar is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. And it has 10-year limited warranty. BL610 Professional Blender. From Ninja. This blender powered with 1000-watt base machine which is fitted with 3 speeds with a pulse and a single serve function. All these allow you to operate the machine straightforwardly to attain consistent smoothie. It has 8 razor-sharp blades attached on body which form like a cyclone in the middle of the blender jar. Ninja Total Crushing Blades gives you perfect ice crushing, blending, pureeing, and controlled processing. Crush ice and frozen fruit in seconds. The 72 ounces professional blender jar is perfect for family. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces, dips and smoothies.